Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to enable or disable RCS chats in your Android phone. So guys, if you want to turn on or turn off your RCS chats in your Android phone, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, go back. So you need to open Messages app. So I am opening here. You can see Messages app. You need to click here, open it and wait for opening. And after open, you need to click on your profile. Here is the option of profile at the corner, so you need to click here. And after this, here is the option of messages settings, so you need to click here. And after this, click on general, and first one option you can see RCS chats, so you need to click here. And here is the first one option is turn on RCS chat. So if you want to enable or turn on RCS chats, then you need to click this here. And here you can see now my RCS chats is on. And if you want to connect your phone number with your RCS chats, then you need to click on verify your phone number. So you need to click here, and here you need to put your phone number and click on add. And after adding your phone number, this Android phone will detect automatically this phone number, and this Android phone connect it with the RCS chats. So after this, if you want to disable or off your RCS chats, then you need to click turn off. So click here and click on turn off. So here you can see this is the method in which you want to enable or disable your RCS chats. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.